How to increase Snap score fast. So let's get started. So firstly you have to go into your Snapchat, and from here you have to go into your profile that is in the top left corner. Now you have to keep in mind that you have to stay active to increase your Snap score. Now you have to send the snaps and receiving the snap, or you can also increase your Snap score by viewing the stories and participating in group chats. So to create a streak, you just have to go into your camera roll, and here you have to create a snap, and after that you have to send this to your friends and your Snap score will increase. Or you can also put it into your story to increase your Snap score. Or you can also create the snap streak, like you have to maintain the snap streaks with your friends, sending the snaps back, and if you receive the snap, your Snap score is also increased. Now you can also increase your Snap score by playing the Snapchat games. You have to play games within your Snapchat friends. So these are the ways that you can increase your Snap score fast. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.